In this problem, Hugo is standing in the top of the St. Louis Gateway Arch, looking down on the Mississippi River. The angle of depression to the closer bank is 45 degrees, and the angle of depression to the farther bank is 18 degrees. The arch is 630 feet tall. Estimate the width of the river at that point. Looks like I'm going to have a combination of problems here. I'm going to draw the outside one first. So it looks like I have a triangle here. There we go. And 630. I'm going to try and reproduce that down here. So I have one length 630, the other I don't know, and this one, it'll take a little bit of explanation. First, I'm going to get a game plan here first. Let's see. I'm going to try and figure out this whole length right here. Then I'm going to try and figure out this length right here. And that, I hope, when I subtract those two, that I hope when I subtract those two will give me that length right there, which is the distance across the river. All right, now let's see. So imagine I'm looking straight out from the arch, and it says in here that the angle in between these two is 18 degrees. Okay, so that would mean this angle in here is going to get me 72. I am looking for this. I know this. So it looks like I have opposite and adjacent, so it looks like a job for the tangent. So tangent of 72 degrees is going to be opposite over adjacent. I'm going to put this over 1. And I believe when I cross multiply, I'm going to get 1,938.94. Now, I have another triangle in here that's a little harder to see, but I'm going to try if I can make it a little more obvious. This one's going to be, I hope, a little easier. So it goes down this way and this way and this way. There we go. So if this angle here is 45 degrees, that would mean that this angle is 45 degrees. And if that's 45, that's 45. It's an isosceles right triangle, which we've spoken of. And there's a nice pattern that goes along with that. So if this is an isosceles right triangle, and I know this side is the same length, and this is the same length if you multiply it by radical 2. In other words, in this problem, I know that this side is 630, which would mean this side is 630. So if this short piece is 630 and this long piece right here all the way across is, let's see, and my long piece across is 1,938 and change. I'm going to subtract 630 from that, and I'm going to get what I hope is the width of this river is 1,308.9